Number 1. You have the unbreakable bones mutation, the LRP5 gene. Most people live life one clumsy step away from a sprain or fracture. They trip over a shoelace, land on the wrong angle, and boom, broken wrist. But not you. If you have a mutation in the LRP5 gene, your bones are dense, practically uncrackable. You're not just strong, you're structurally over-engineered. Medical imaging sometimes can't even penetrate your bone density. When you fall, you don't get hurt, you leave a dent in the earth. You're like the human version of reinforced concrete in yoga pants. Dentists dread your x-rays. It's not that you're immune to harm, it's that harm takes one look at your skeleton and walks the other way. Your body negotiates with physics before every accident. You're walking around like a secret boss-level character in a video game. Wolverine may have claws, but you've got the bones that make steel jealous. Number 2. You see colors beyond the visible spectrum, tetrachromacy. While most people have 3 color cones in their eyes, letting them see red, green, and blue, you have a 4th. That extra cone gives you tetrachromacy, a superhuman level of color vision. Imagine seeing a sunset not as a wash of orange and pink, but as 1,000 distinct shades, each screaming its own identity. To others, that paint is blue. To you, it's midnight sapphire with a hint of melancholy. Artists might envy your vision. Scientists might study your eyeballs. Your Instagram filters, irrelevant. You don't need them. Your vision isn't just sharper, it's richer, more alive. But here's the catch, you can't explain it. When you say, "That wall is a weird shade today," people look at you like you've been licking crayons. They don't understand your world. But your eyes weren't made for understanding. They were made for seeing what others can't. Number 3. You thrive on little to no sleep. The DEC2 mutation. 4 hours. That's all you need. While the rest of us crawl out of bed groggy and resentful, you're already on your second workout and halfway through a novel. Thanks to a tiny mutation in the DEC2 gene, your body has rewritten the rules on rest. You don't just function with less sleep, you conquer. Scientists have looked at you like you're a walking contradiction. You're not powered by caffeine. You're powered by rare DNA. You regenerate instead of resting. Your productivity level, off the charts. You're what every 5 a.m. club guru dreams of being. The truth. You don't sleep less because you're disciplined. You sleep less because nature decided to give you the ultimate cheat code. And while everyone else battles their alarm clocks, you've already rebalanced your chakras, cleaned the garage, and created a new meal prepping method that could start a business. Number 4. You're a super taster. The TAS2R38 gene mutation. To you, food is drama. Every bite is a Shakespearean experience. Broccoli doesn't just taste earthy, it tastes like betrayal. Cilantro. That's a leaf of lies. Your tongue, thanks to your TAS2R38 gene, is a hypersensitive battlefield of taste receptors. While others drink black coffee for fun, you're wondering how they endure the assault. Bitterness. You taste it like it's screaming. Sweetness. It's overwhelming. You're not picky. You're precise. You taste the molecular makeup of a meal. Your friends roll their eyes when you critique restaurant menus, but in reality, your taste buds are royalty. Chefs would weep if they knew what your palate could detect. It's not snobbery. It's survival. You weren't made for basic food. You were built to taste dimensions most will never perceive. Number 5. You never get mosquito bites. ABCC11 gene variations. Everyone around you is swatting, itching, and scratching through summer nights. But you untouched. While your friends are mosquito buffets, you're invisible to the buzzing menace. You don't need citronella or bug spray. Your skin doesn't emit the scent that attracts mosquitoes, likely due to genetic variations, including those in the ABCC11 gene. To those little vampires, you don't exist. Scientists call it reduced mosquito attractiveness. We call it evolution's personal air defense system. You're the envy of every camping trip, the summer's chosen one. While others drench themselves in DEET, you enjoy bonfires in peace, untouched, unaffected, and gloriously bite-free. Number 6. You have a second set of eyelashes. Dystichiasis. Ever wish your lashes had backup dancers? Well, dystichiasis is here to deliver. Most people are born with a single row of eyelashes standard issue. But your genetics said, why stop at one? So you rolled up to the DNA lottery and walked away with an extra set. That's right, 2 rows of lashes. Double blink armor. A genetic overachiever in the fluff department. Sure, it sounds like you're ready for a mascara commercial at all times. And from a distance, you do look like royalty, perhaps Cleopatra reborn. But here's the twist, it's not always glamorous. That bonus lash row, sometimes it turns rogue, pointing inward and irritating your eyes. Imagine silk attacking your eyeball. It's exotic, but it's also extra maintenance. Explaining it to your optometrist is a whole journey. No, I didn't glue them on, I grew them, naturally, like a majestic eye lion. Your eyelids aren't just blinking. They're double-teaming reality with every flutter. Ancient rulers would have worshipped you. Today, you're dodging eye drops and baffled stares. That's the cost of being born with mythological upgrades. Number 7. You can smell things. No one else can. Hyperosmia. Your nose isn't a nose, it's a full-blown chemical surveillance system. While everyone else strolls into a room and says, lavender, you smell 3 types of mildew, 2 secrets, and the emotional state of the janitor. Hyperosmia is a rare mutation that turns your olfactory receptors into overachieving detectives. You don't just smell something, you interrogate it. Subway rides become psychological thrillers. Perfume counters battlefield zones. Your friends say, stop being dramatic. But they don't understand. You once detected your friend's breakup by a shift in their scent. You smell sad, you said, because you knew. And it's not just intense smells, it's subtle ones too. You notice the change in someone's detergent, or that their dog switched to a new shampoo. To most people, the world is a whiff. To you, it's an opera of odor, and you're the maestro. Number 8. You can wiggle your ears. Auricular muscle control. No, it's not just a party trick. It's ancient primate magic. While the rest of us have ears that just sit there, passive and boring, you can twitch yours like a suspicious cartoon mouse. This rare ability is thanks to remnants of a muscle group called the auricular muscles, leftovers from when humans needed to swivel ears toward danger, like, wait, did you hear that tiger? You, my friend, are evolution's quirky throwback. Is it useful? Not really. Is it awesome? Absolutely. You're the odd delight in a world of static lobes. Your ears don't just hear. They perform. And let's be honest, if you ever develop super hearing, this is going to come in handy. Number 9. You have an extra rib. Cervical rib mutation, you. Yes, you were born with a bonus bone. No metaphor here. It's real. While most folks are assigned 12 pairs of ribs, your DNA rolled the dice and said, let's toss in a 13th. That little bonus is called a cervical rib. It's like your skeleton freelanced one afternoon and created a random outgrowth from your neck vertebrae. Sometimes it's completely chill. Other times it pinches nerves or messes with blood flow. You might feel a weird bump near your collarbone and wonder, did my skeleton just improvise? Yes, it did. Doctors call it rare. Evolution calls it a glitch. You just call it Tuesday. You are not mass-produced. You're a custom build with surprise features. Congratulations. You're limited edition complete with hidden bones. Number 10. You have the double crown hair mutation. Dual whirl pattern. Let's talk hair. While most scalps follow a basic swirl pattern, yours decided to go full chaos theory. 2 whirls, twin tornadoes, a follicular rebellion. This double crown mutation gives your hair a unique vortex vibe. Barbers hate it, hats fear it, and no matter how much gel you use, gravity and genetics are in cahoots. But here's the thing. While it can be a style challenge, it's also rare. Some ancient cultures thought it meant royal blood. Others believed it signaled psychic powers. Modern reality. You just need 2 mirrors to part your hair. Yet in a world of sleek hairlines, you're a cosmic swirl of character. Your head doesn't just grow hair, it broadcasts personality. Wrapping it all up. There you have it, 10 rare DNA traits that might mean you're walking around with superhuman quirks you never fully appreciated. From bone density to super smelling, from lash mutations to crown chaos, your body could be a genetic mosaic of wonder and weirdness. So which of these traits hit home for you? Do you wiggle your ears without trying? Has a mosquito ever ghosted you? Drop a comment below and let us know what made you say, "Wait, I think I do have that." If you enjoyed this deep dive into rare biology, make sure to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you never miss the next round of freaky human facts. Special thanks to our amazing community, especially the 15 subscribers who've already joined this growing tribe of the genetically gifted. Your support fuels this channel, and your feedback inspires every word. Until next time, stay curious, stay rare, and remember, sometimes the strangest traits are the coolest powers. Thanks for watching.